Don't mind the mess, guys. As you know, I'm putting everything back together. But I did install the suspension, the S13 rear coilovers. As you can see, it's only 2 bolts instead of the 3 that the stock one uses. And now I'm gonna create a rear strut bar. I did it for my 280Z front. The back one I just bought, but this one I'm gonna head to Home Depot now, see what I can find. I do have this roll bar, so I'm gonna most likely try to stick to like the bar, the tube style. So I'm about to head to Home Depot now. I'm thinking a 1-inch tube, steel tube with, I'm gonna see if I can get some steel plates. Like I showed you guys the template that I had. I can't find it now. I don't know where I put it at. So this is the idea, guys. The plate like this, and then on both sides, and I'm gonna weld the tube right in the middle. I'm only gonna use a 1-inch tube. This is about, let's see. This is about 2.5 inches. Well, guys, here I am using the old saw that I bought from Amazon. I'm gonna let you guys know I'm not even gonna provide a link because this thing was horrible. It took me forever. I sped this video up and cut it. It took me about like 30 minutes to get one cut, and then, you know, obviously another 30 minutes to get the other one, and I couldn't even fully get it cut. I had to actually use my my cutter. But as you guys can see, I'm trying to keep this drill bit as cool as possible, and even that didn't help. It's just horrible. The teeth fell apart. Horrible quality from Amazon, but I should have known better. I should have just went with my gut instincts and got the Milwaukee that I originally was going to just pay $40 for. This cost $17 and a headache. A lot of time wasted, but here you go, guys. I sped this up. You'll see that I got the perfect 4.5 inches circle, and I'll show you guys how that came out. Okay, guys, finally got them cut. Word of the wise, do not cheap out on the bit or anything, because it'll make a simple job a lot harder. Let me just tell you that Amazon shit, that was very cheap, and it cost me a lot of time. So for the record, if you can avoid it, and just buy the Milwaukee one. I'm gonna swing you guys over here since you couldn't really see on the other side. And then I'm gonna go test it on the car. Okay, guys, as you can see, I need to first align this. I need to make this one bigger. Now it's actually ready to be welded. I made the center hole bigger so it could fit the part that pokes out, and you can adjust the damping. And then I made the other 2 strut ones a little bigger too. just so I can have some play. Here I am cutting out the template that I put right here on the bottom left side of the video. Here you go. It's welded. I have to clean it up and grind it down. And now I'm gonna see if I measure the tube and cut it. Remember guys, measure 3 times, cut once, and if anything, you rather cut a little longer than shorter, always. Here I made sure that the bar was level before I actually did a couple of tack welds. I know that this is very unsafe, so do not try this, as if not protected or if you don't be careful enough, you can burn or start a fire. But I had to do this. This is the only way that I was able to make sure that when I pulled the bar out, it would stay exactly where I wanted it. Here's how it looks installed. Obviously, I just need to paint it. Not the prettiest welds, but it ain't the worst either.